to flight like a bird in the night. Places bizarre and exciting.
Nice day for a picnic.
Relax, enjoy. I brought sandwiches, fresh fruit, cut up vegetables.
No pizza? What's the point of eating outdoors without a portable microwave?
The purpose of a picnic is to eat foods that are simple to make and eat.
No sashimi. That's simple. You just pick it up ready-made at the store.
Or a nice 4-layer cake from the bakery section. No work at all.
It was hard work for the people who baked the cake and planted the vegetables.
Why do they bother baking when they could just buy food from the store?
Do we tell him where eggs come from?
I think it might do the entire team some good to learn a little bit more about where things come from.
Are we off to find another lost note?
A lost note and a lost way of life.
Ah!
Away you'll go, away you'll race. You can go anywhere.
Oh!
I've got a feeling we're in Kansas.
Song, let's not start misquoting old movies.
I'm serious. We're in Kansas. Sometime in the era of the Great American West. About 1868.
Guess that explains the corn.
Cornier than your jokes. Excuse us, ma'am.
You kids new around these parts?
Yes, ma'am. We're...
No time for introductions, girlie. Too much to do.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am.
Call me Ma.
We don't mean to be of any trouble, but we've been walking in the hot sun. Could we trouble you for some water?
Sure. Help yourself. Use that. Well's over there. Well, squawk.
Where's the water?
Down there.
Hello! Down there!
Oh.
Well, who are you kids? Where do you come from, and what are you doing here?
Ma, who owns that banjo?
Oh, that's just my old banjo.
So, you play the banjo?
Wow.
Not nowadays. It's just for decoration.
Really?
Maybe we should have had breakfast.
I'm too hungry to find notes. I need to find one of those sandwiches Bird packed.
I'll be happy to feed you kids, but I'm gonna need some help.
We'll be glad to go shopping for you. Just write us out a list and we'll pick up anything you need and carry it back from the store.
There ain't a store near 100 miles from here. Pa and I went last summer.
Where do you get your food?
Eh, you want vittles? You have to rustle them up yourself. Anybody have any idea what she's saying? Eggs are in the chicken coop, milk's in the barn, corn's in the field. You're welcome to enjoy anything you can get for yourself. What? Oh, that's little Jebediah Jr. Gotta put him down for his nap. You kids have fun now.
Fun? Wow, this is harder to do than it looks. All these years, I thought corn came from the store.
Me too. Wonder where all the popcorn grows.
Maybe the lost note is here.
Aha! So, the farmer's wife has the lost note.
It looks like the kids are gonna beat us to the lost note again, boss.
Not so fast. She won't be able to help them find anything if we drive her off her land. And I know just how that's done around these parts.
Drive her off? We didn't come by car.
That cow Mrs. Ma mentions in here somewhere.
Are we really going in there?
Piece of cake. Just milk the cow. Follow me. We find the cow, tell her to stand still, and then we take the milk. That's it. Ah! Easy, girl. Good girl.
Okay, Ma, we got lots of corn.
You think you can make some cornbread?
Sure! The corn should dry by tomorrow, and then you can spend the afternoon grinding it into meal, and then we'll bake it.
That's really kind of you.
How about some corn on the cob?
Sure! You can help me cook it.
While you're cooking, is there any songs you know? Like any special notes you'd like to sing?
I haven't sung a note since Pa went off to work.
Mom, we would just love to listen to your banjo. Can you play it for us, please?
Oh, well, okay.